السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. معكم محمد صماد، قناة English في English. أنا Certified English Instructor من LinkedIn University و PMI Colleges and HRSC و other institutes. You can check my LinkedIn profile, okay, and the link in the description, alright, الوصف تحت. طيب النهارده يا جماعة احنا في كورس الصوتيات الشامل للمبتدئين إن شاء الله. ده كورس اونلاين فور فري. لو انت ما سمعتش السيشن الاولى او الفيديو بتاع محتوى الكورس، بنصحك ان انت تسمعه عشان تعرف تفاصيل المنحة وتفاصيل الكورس والكورس ده ماشي ازاي، عشان تتابعنا وانت مش تايه، عشان تعرف كل التفاصيل وتتقن ان شاء الله الصوتيات دي في اقل وقت ممكنة، لان دي المفتاح وهي دي الحل الوحيد للي انت تتقن الامريكان اكسنت ويبقى عندك امريكان انجلش اكسنت بدون اي mistakes، بدون اي اخطاء، وان شاء الله تبقى عندك mastering the American accent very good. طيب ان شاء الله السيشن النهارده لذيذه ولطيفه. السيشن 2 هنكفر consonant R consonant W R and W sound، اوكي، اللي هو W، بس احنا بنتكلم هنا بنتعامل مع sounds not letters. تمام، الحروف هنا مش، احنا بنتعاملش مع حروف، احنا بنتعامل مع اصوات. تمام، في الامريكان انجلش بتتعامل مع اصوات، فالحرف الصوت ده بيتنطق ازاي، فبيدي الكلمه دي معنى كده مختلف يعني. طيب فاحنا ان شاء الله نجيبه بقى البنسل بتاعنا، اوكي. طيب فاحنا هنتكلم عن حرف الار. تمام، ار ساوند. طيب الار ساوند اصلا بيتنطق ازاي، او بنعمل الار ساوند ازاي، بنخرج الحرف ده ازاي؟ The mouth and lips are round and the tongue moves back in your mouth. يعني ايه الكلام ده؟ يعني ال lips are rounded. تمام، يعني ال lips هنا شفايفك مدورة على شكل دايرة. R لما تقول R، تمام، مدورة. تمام، والtongue اللسان بيرجع ورا الفم. تمام، يبقى بيرجع ورا زي ما تقول O. say O. تمام، تلاقي اللسان رجع لورا الفم، اوكي. طيب نفس الحوار الار، لما تقول R يبقى هنا اللسان tongue at the back of your mouth، تمام، بيرجع ورا الفم، واللبس بتبقى rounded. say R okay, R, say it like that, R دي ايه؟ sound R in American English. تمام، طبعا نيجي practice بقى على ال R at the beginning of the words. تمام، عندنا rock, okay, rock, alright. rep, reach, road, okay. so rock, rep, reach, road. لأن لما تيجي في أول الكلمة، تمام، R at the beginning of the words. طيب R at the end of words or after a vowel، okay. زي car, far, star, okay, far, star. door, okay. bear, right. so lips are rounded with tongue at the back of your mouth. bear, turn around, okay. turn around دي at the end of words and after a vowel، يعني بعد حرف متحرك. تمام. طيب in the middle of words بقى are in the middle of words عندك very, right. direction مش direction، no, direction. let's go to that direction, okay. عندك arrange, okay. merry Christmas, okay. operation, okay. arrive, alright. everyone, alright. let's go out with everyone, alright. so say it like that, alright. so هيبقى احنا عندنا ال R practices R. اوكي. والفوناتكس يا جماعة الصوتيات يعني by ear training على طول. لازم تسمع كتير عشان تلاقي الحروف دي بتتكرر في كذا كلمة وتسمعها من native speakers. فده listening is very important guys. تمام. وهسيب لكم طبعا ان شاء الله لو اي حد عاوز يتواصل معايا او حد عنده استفسار يدي ان شاء الله على الانستجرام او الفيسبوك او يكلمني على الواتساب، وهبعت له طبعا كل البي دي افس وكل لو عاوزين حتى يعني لو عاوزين حتى السيشن والبي دي اف بتاع السيشن ديت ان شاء الله بشرحها كده. هنزله بي دي اف لو حد عاوز يكتب في الكومنتس تمام عشان ننزله. طيب ده احنا عرفنا الار. تمام. يبقى car, rock, car, right, far, star, and very, everyone, right, دي R and the middle and the beginning and the end of after a vowel. Okay, so طيب تعال نشوف phrase practice. يبقى احنا word practice وبعد كده phrase practice. تعال نشوفها بقى في phrase practice هنا. Phrase practice. The round rooster rushed into the wrong road. سؤالها بسرعة كده. The round rooster rushed into the wrong road. The round rooster rushed into the wrong road. Rushed, right? Not rushed. لا rushed. نشوفها بقى طبعا دي في السيشنز الجاية إن شاء الله. The story he read on the radio was incorrect. The story he read on the radio was incorrect. Alright? So the story he read on the radio was incorrect. Her career in the law firm is permanent. Right? I'm so very bad at drawing, I know that. So her career in the law firm is permanent. Okay? Everyone will respect the royal family when they arrive at the airport. Alright? So everyone will respect the royal family when they arrive at the airport. Alright? Airport. Okay? دي phrase practice بتاعت الار. طب في حاجة اسمها R blends. فاكرين لما قلنا في التي sound T T والR بيجوا في أول الكلمة blends مع بعض. تمام. training في ch sound كده صح؟ طيب يبقى احنا هنتكلم عن training, trust, trip, great, bring. Alright? طيب in the middle subtract, waitress is waitress, no, waitress, Australia, introduce, right? So هنا R blends مع في the beginning of the words with T or the middle of words with T as well. تمام. يبقى training, trust, trip, bring. In the middle subtract, waitress, Australia, and introduce. تمام. طيب يبقى احنا اتكلمنا عن الR. نلخص الR اهي بسرعة. Sound the R very important in American English guys, so you gotta focus on that. Alright, and you gotta practice a lot. R تمام. أي كلمة تلاقيها فيها R أو أي phrase تلاقيها فيها R, you gotta practice at that. Like the lips are round and the tongue is at the back of your mouth. Okay, زي نسوي O تمام. نسوي O تلاقي tongue at the back of your mouth على طول. فطبعا لازم تبقى the round rooster rushed into the wrong road. The story he read on the radio was incorrect. Her career in the law firm is permanent. Everyone will respect the royal family when they arrive at the airport. You gotta practice on that a lot guys. Okay. طيب نيجي بقى للوه sound أو W sound وهنقوله وه. تمام. طيب what will we do? Okay, what will we do? Alright, طيب comparing R and W sound أهو wek, very different sound, right? Right, white بيدي طبعا different meanings. تمام. right يعني صحيح أو white يعني اللون الأبيض. تمام. طيب W أو practice بقى words at the beginning of words أو why, which, when, wait وهكذا. why, which, when, wait. Okay. طيب W in the middle of words تمام زي always 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 away away beware awake someone right always يعني دائما always away away بعيدا beware يعني واعي كن واعيا يعني awake يعني صاحي someone شخص معين طيب keywords as well produced as question right so ال KW sound ده صح اللي هو question keywords تمام زي question أو question has two pronunciation guys question تمام أو أنت مش عارف تنطق التشا في الآخر لكن مش question لا question or question على طول question or question على طول تمام طيب quiet تمام يبقى هو تصدق produced as KW كده quiet تمام queen quality right so flap T اهي quality احنا خدناها في السيشن اللي فاتت لو ما اتفرجتش على السيشن اللي فاتت لازم تسمعها it's very important with the T and D sound okay طيب phrase practice لل W sound alright so, the wind from the west was very wet the wind from the west was very wet he woke up and washed the white washcloth he woke up and washed the white washcloth we waited for the waitress to give us water right we waited for the waitress to give us water we had a wonderful time in Washington and Wisconsin right Wisconsin and Washington two states في الولايات المتحدة ولايتين Washington Wisconsin alright so the wind from the west was very wet we woke up and washed the white clothes we waited for the waitress to give us water we had a wonderful time in Washington and Wisconsin okay طيب paragraph practice بقى تعال نقرا paragraph ده ونشوف ال R و W sound عاملين واحد sound عاملين ازاي Ray was born in Russia he dreamed of building the perfect roller right coaster at the Grand Canyon in Arizona he had a friend named Fred who lived in Norway Fred's profession was designing railroad tracks and his career involved traveling around the world okay Ray thought it would be perfect if Fred designed his roller coaster ride Fred was creative brilliant and worked well with railroad tracks okay مدمجين railroad tracks ما بتنطقش الأول طيب he would be the perfect engineer for the project right the ride took 2 years to construct and was painted red and white everyone really wanted to ride the brand new roller coaster شوف ال R كام R وكام و sound سمعناهم في الباراجراف ده يبقى تاني Ray was born in Russia Ray كان اتولد في Russia he dreamed of building the perfect roller coaster at the Grand Canyon in Arizona تمام he dreamed إن هو حلم ببناء perfect roller coaster هو طريق السكة الحديد at the Grand Canyon in Arizona في منطقته في أريزونا he had a friend named Fred who lived in Norway كان عنده صديق اسمه فريد وعاش في النرويج Fred's profession was designing railroad tracks and his career involved traveling around the world okay so Fred's profession مهنة فريد was designing railroad tracks so أصلا كان بيصمم railroad tracks دي and his career involved traveling around the world ومهنته أو الكارير بتاعه مجال العمل بتاعه كان بيتطلب إن هو يسافر around the world حول العالم Ray thought it would be perfect if Fred designed his railroad أو his roller coaster ride فراي فكر أو اعتقد إن هيبقى من المثالي إن فريد هيديزاين design ال railroad coaster ride بتاعه ده Fred was creative, brilliant and worked well with railroad tracks Fred was creative كان مبدع وكان brilliant عبقري and worked well وكان بيشتغل كويس مع railroad tracks he would be the perfect engineer for the project. كان هيبقى المهندس المثالي للproject المشروع. The ride took 2 years to construct. طبعا خدت سنتين عشان للبناء أو التشييد. And was painted red. painted red. وطبعا دهنها أحمر. And white. Red and white. أبيض وأحمر. Everyone really wanted to ride the brand new roller coaster. Everyone really طبعا كل شخص طبعا كان عاوز يركب brand new roller coaster ده يجربه. brand new على فكرة brand new something is طبعا completely. So طبعا بتساوي completely like brand new means completely, right? completely new يعني completely new, alright? completely or completely, alright? completely new. Don't know. Yep, that's it. completely new, alright? So النهارده ده السيشن يا جماعة. That's it for today. طبعا اتكلمنا على consonant R, consonant W, و sound و R sound. Very important R in English. وطبعا ear training. Arrive, rock, rod, star, far, car. And what sound like wick, white, which, when. Well, Q طبعا Q sound. Q words produces qua sound like question, quiet, queen, quality. Very important. R as in training. Our blends like training, trust, trip, way in the middle, and the beginning words like subtract, waitress, Australia. That's the wrap up for today. And practice phrases. The round rooster rushed into the wrong road. What sound? The wind from the west was very wet. Okay, وقرينا paragraph واتمرن عليه. فطبعا that's it for today. You just gotta practice, guys, to keep improving and to keep just keep it up, alright? طبعا لازم ان شاء الله نكمل الكورس و don't give up, alright? متستسلمش ابدا. You got this. تمام. انت يعني تكفيل انت يعني تتقن الانجليش ده بسهولة جدا ان شاء الله. و يعني بإذن الله هيبقى سهل وبسيط جدا. والانجليش is very easy and is very fun, مش complicated خالص. ف just keep going and keep it up, guys, and يعني ان شاء الله see you soon في السيشنز الجاية. و thank you so much. Take care. Bye.